Hello everyone, so if you want to set your own ringtone on your Redmi Note 13, first of all open up your settings. Now you're gonna scroll down to your sound and vibration tab right here. Find your ringtone. Agree to the terms of conditions if you still didn't. Now you can choose from a lot of preset ringtones. There is a huge list of them, so choose the one you like. However, if I want to set our own custom ringtone, choose on this tab, Home tab, choose your local ringtone, press allow. Now choose file manager or music. I'll choose a file manager. Alright, press agree and continue, allow, and here you can see all of your ringtones which you have. So choose one, press OK, press apply, press confirm your choice by pressing OK. Now you've got your advertisement. Give it a few seconds to wear off, and press apply, press OK. Once again, as you see, it was applied successfully, and that's it. Now we have our custom ringtone on. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.